We divide 816 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 816 divided by 5 is 163 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.